Conquest, Aerth Advanced Rules, Conquest, Aerth, Vol 2, The Paths of Dominance and Dominion, and Vol 3, Journey of the Divine and Wrath of the Omega. Nexus, Zenith, Base, Fringe, Elder, Phased, Sovereign, Polar, Unique, and Street enchantments. There are many variations of enchantment in the Conquest Aerth setting once characters have cut their teeth on Volume 1, Martial Science versus Occult Power. They can progress to the plethora of types listed in Volume 2, The Paths of Dominance and Dominion. Nexus enchantment describes the standard +1, +2, etc. Enchantment created by mystics and enchanters. Zenith enchantment is the greatest of all categories of enchantment. The bonuses it provides, it still follows the standard +1, +2, etc. Levels apply to every conceivable facet of the equipment, weapon or shield. For armor, this means +AF versus critical hit. Structural absorption plus evasion, ranged weapons plus armor bypass plus 100m/per +1 ranges plus magazine capacity, burst, opponent cover modifier, opponent shield and evasion chances, strength requirement and diffusion, interplanar damage destruction, which is extra harmful to elemental, demonic and some off-world and Aelder races. Zenith enchanted melee weapons give plus to armor bypass, damage, destruction, diffusion, interplanar damage, destruction, distortion, a separate measure that skews luck, fortune, kismet and karma in the wielder's favor, and plus 1m per +1 meters of melee range. Zenith throwing weapons grant these bonuses except throwing attack is boosted instead of distortion of diffusion. The throwing weapons gain deflection, which adds to the bleeding per round caused, if any. And the increments in range increase are plus 10 meters per +1. Zenith enchanted shields grant their plus bonuses to AF defense and subtract it from the strength requirements of the shield. Zenith enchanted vehicles are especially scarce, yet exist and are imbued with enhanced speed, evasion, AF, structural absorption, integrity points and integral mitigation, acceleration, torque, collective or resilience, and lessened % chance of ignition from incendiary and/or magic and footprint. Vehicles also get a bonus, divergence, that makes evading the vehicle and any guided ordnance from it. Zenith. Enchanted. Structures are relics of bygone epochs and are sometimes discovered in ruins. They gain numerous bonuses, including integrity points and structural absorption. Zenith enchantment must be pursued as a skill path by astute and high-ranking enchanters to be an option for player characters. It takes 3 times as long and costs 9 times as much as Nexus enchantment. Base enchantment provides only the most basic of these benefits. It takes half the time and 1/3 the cost. Governments and corporations often use this form of magic. Fringe enchantment does not provide the standard bonuses of Nexus enchantment, but gives the others listed for Zenith. It takes twice as long as the normal enchantment and is 7 times dearer. Sovereign enchantment limits the bonuses to a certain creed, race, or national force. Phased enchantments only work at certain times. Polar enchantments only work on an opposed dynamic, but gives twice the bonus. For example, a noble polar enchanted weapon would be twice the plus bonus versus chaos. Other dynamics include fire versus water of darkness, or darkness versus light. Street enchantments only work in the local area and may be patchy in the bonuses they give. Unique enchantments will be covered later.